Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, as you all know, ISTQB certificate is very mandatory and very important for testers. Yes, and they also help to crack the interviews in the fresher level and the experience level for getting projects. And also in every company, most of the managers are asking us to do this certificate as easy, and it is mandatory to prove our skills to the clients to accept our experience in the projects. Yeah, here in this video I will show how to register for foundation level exams, testing and agile. Also we have different fees for remote and home based fees. And there's a slot bookings from different websites also. So don't forget to watch this video completely. Yeah, first we need to open the website. The link is available in description. Please check. And after opening the link, we have to click on sign up. We need to fill these profile details in order to create the account. Then we will get a confirmation link to our email ID. You need to give your email details only, not the company details. If you want to write this exam in corporate level, there is this different exam fees and it is very low. So after logging in, we have to fill all the profile details. It will show the details what we have filled before. Then we have to save and continue. Next we have to select this ISTQB foundation level exam. Yeah, well, after clicking on this apply button, we have to fill few more details like our home address for certificate delivery, education details and our work experience if you are working. If not, you can ignore. Finally we need to pay. Just click on the pay after filling all the details. Here my order is confirmed. I had chosen offline center exam, so I paid 5700 rupees. So here we can check in dashboards. We will see the applied symbol. Yeah, yes, we applied. We completed the registration. We completed the registration of ISTQB foundation level. You can check dashboards and order details and application details, and we can also get mails of fees receipt and the booking order ID. After we book the exam fees, we register the ISTQB exam, we get mail from another website, Pearson. Well, the center selection process is different and that is in different website. So for more details, please check my part 2 video. Please comment if you have any doubts. Thank you. Bye.